Hello and welcome to this video. So this video is going to be all about product strategy. Let's dive in. A product strategy explains a company's long-term vision for its products, including where they are headed, how they will get there, and why they will succeed. Rather than trying to be all things for all people, the product strategy allows you to concentrate on a certain target market. Answer these following 5 questions when you are devising your own product strategy.
Number 1, target market. Define your target customers or market. Number 2, target users. Figure out who you will be marketing to and what your target demographic looks like. Number 3, product positioning. Describe how potential clients will see your products in relation to competitive products. Number 4, unique selling points. Recognize what distinguishes your products in the marketplace. Determine the issues that your solution solves for the customer. Within a market, you can't be everything to everyone, but you can solve specific concerns. Number 5, distribution channel. Describe how you plan to offer your product as well as how your target market will obtain it.
When defining your product strategy, begin by establishing the market problems that your product strategy will address. This process includes interviewing your target market, analyzing the competitive landscape, and establishing how you will differentiate yourself. Listening to your market and developing a product strategy is often a cyclical process in which you adjust your strategy and the challenges as you gain more knowledge. You are excluding a lot of other markets by choosing a specific target market in your product strategy. This helps your company determine whether certain projects are outside the product strategy and redirect attention away from those main business goals. Let's now look at a product strategy.
This is a bird's eye view of product strategy map. The first step is to define the mission, vision, and values for your company. That's essentially the direction to the North Star for your company. Step 2 is to define these 4 pillars. The financial pillars in terms of revenue growth, long-term shareholder values that you would like to create, the overall productivity that you plan to improve, customer value in terms of price, quality, and the brand recognition that you aspire to attain, internal perspective, that's essentially the operational improvement and customer management and overall other efficiencies that you would aspire to improve. And the last pillar is the innovation pillar in terms of human capital and information capital. Step 3 is then to define the strategic priorities, that is the top 3 to 5 goals for each of these 4 pillars. Step 4 is then to define the business goal. Step 5 is to provide justifications as to why you decided to pick certain goals over others. Step 6, define metrics, that is how you're going to measure your success. Step 7, define the high-level initiatives or action plans that would help you get to your end goals. Step 8 is the final step, that is the strategic casket. That's essentially cascading the objective goals, strategies and measures at product line levels and product level. Once you do these 8 steps, you will have your product strategy map. Let's see a bird's eye view example of how the product strategy map would look like. At the end of the process, that is after doing step 1 to step 8 for each of the 4 pillars, you would be able to arrive at the top 3 to 5 North Star objectives aligned to your product's vision.
In a nutshell, a product strategy explains a company's strategic vision for its products by stating where they are headed, how they will get there, and why they will succeed. I hope by now you understand what is a product strategy, its benefits, what all elements to consider or what all questions to ask when you are devising your own product strategy, and how a product strategy looks like. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, comments. I'll surely get back. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna end this video here, and I shall see you soon on my next video. Bye.